ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level. 4.2.3 Decision Table Testing. Decision tables are used for testing and implementation of requirements that specify how different combinations of conditions result in different outcomes. Decision tables are an effective way of recording complex logic, such as business rules. When creating decision tables, the conditions and the resulting actions of the system are defined. These form the rows of the table. Each column corresponds to a decision rule that defines a unique combination of conditions, along with associated actions. In limited entry decision tables, all of the values of the conditions and actions are shown as Boolean values, true or false. Alternatively, in extended entry decision tables, some or all the conditions and actions may also take up multiple values. For example, ranges of numbers, equivalence partitions, and discrete values. The notation for conditions is as follows. T, true, means that the condition is satisfied. F, false, means that the condition is not satisfied. Dash means that the value of the condition is irrelevant for the action outcome. In A means that the condition is infeasible for a given rule. For actions, X means that the action should occur. Blank means that the action should not occur. Other notations may also be used. A full decision table has enough columns to cover every combination of conditions. The table can be simplified by deleting columns containing infeasible combinations of conditions. The table can also be minimized by merging columns, in which some conditions do not affect the outcome, into one single column. Decision table minimization algorithms are out of scope of this syllabus. In decision table testing, the coverage items are the columns containing feasible combinations of conditions. To achieve 100% coverage with this technique, test cases must exercise all of these columns. Coverage is measured as the number of exercised columns divided by the total number of feasible columns and is expressed as a percentage. The strength of decision table testing is that it provides a systematic approach to identify all of the combinations of conditions, some of which might otherwise be overlooked. It also helps to find any gaps or contradictions in the requirements. If there are many conditions, exercising all the decision rules may be time-consuming, since the number of rules grows exponentially with the number of conditions. In such a case, to reduce the number of rules that needs to be exercised, a minimized decision table or a risk-based approach may be used. If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org